चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
So what's really happening at the BJP headquarters? We were told that the Prime Minister expected to come in around 7 o'clock this evening.
Absolutely. Well, the countdown, of course, has begun for that mega address. Ab ki baar तीसरी बार Modi Sarkar is the slogan that we are actually getting to hear, and you can see supporters are here in huge numbers. ये देखिए आपने ये किस तरह से बनाया है, क्या लिखा है? राम जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम। मैं चंद्रशेखर जोशी, अंत्योदय भाजपा से, द्वारका विधानसभा से।
और आप खुश हैं जिस तरह से नतीजा है?
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि जनता चाहती थी कि जो राम को लाए हम उनको लाएं, और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ ये है पूर्ण बहुमत की सरकार तीसरी बार भी बनने जा रही है, और इसमें कहीं ना कहीं जनता का सबसे बड़ा सहयोग है कि वो चाहते थे कि जो खिचड़ी की सरकार है उसका कोई पीएम निश्चित नहीं था, इसीलिए मोदी जी अब की बार, मोदी जी बार बार।
There you can see Modi ji bar bar. It's the third time. It's a record third term for the Prime Minister. We'll also move ahead here, and there you can see it's a whole sea of saffron flags are there. BJP flags are there, and there is of course slogans being raised. Jai Shri Ram slogans and Modi slogans also. You can see sweets being distributed over here. If you can see, all of them are now finished as we come here this hour, and you can see this entire staircase is right now occupied by all the BJP supporters, and they are waiting. And in fact, the crowd is only gathering up. It's increasing, and it's going to be a larger number. It's going to be jam-packed, Shravan, here at the BJP headquarters, as the Prime Minister will be once again here to address and of course give his victory speech. There are of course a lot to discuss, as in the studios we are hearing a lot of analysis that is taking place about across the entire all the states, and there have been setbacks in states like Uttar Pradesh, but there you can see the celebrations have not died down. Celebrations have begun since afternoon, and there you can see even the band. You can see that band. There you can see how there is a lot of dhol, nagaras and band, baja that is happening on ground. And the weather also has changed. You know, it was actually a very interesting turn of the entire trends that we saw today. And it, of course, has changed. And there was not much relief for the BJP. As for the Delhiites, this weather is a lot of relief. And, you know, many of the workers we have been talking to, they've been like, this is an auspicious sign. And people are very excited. आप यहाँ से मोदी जी के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, मोदी जी आने वाला है, इसीलिए हम लोग वेट कर रहा हूँ यहाँ। हम तो जहांगीरपुरी दिल्ली।
और आपको कैसा लग रहा है कि एक बार फिर से जो यहाँ पर है मोदी जी सरकार बना?
हाँ, इस बार और क्यों 2 टर्म्स तो हो गया, ये तीसरा टर्म्स है, सब कुछ इनका जानकारी है, हो गया, कहाँ काम करना है, कौन सी स्टेज में काम करना है, ये और बेहतर आने वाला दिन में और बेहतर होगा इंडिया का काम।
क्या नया होगा?
सारे काम, ये नहीं है ये चीज अच्छा होगा वो नहीं होगा, सारे काम अच्छा होगा।